Okay, today I want to show you guys how I make infographics using Gemini, Grok, and ChatGPT. It's all the same process. It's really quick, easy. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is that we have to make sure that we have some sort of information in order to feed the AI. So like for me, I chose to use I'm going to use 5 out of these 6 steps process. And so this is like something that would be really good for an infographic because instead of just having steps, I can make it look pretty, make it look nice, make it look visual, and then use that as a bonus, use that as an added product download for anything I'm selling, or even as a freebie. So I would just go here. I would post the information, and then just a simple, can you turn this into a infographic for me? Infographic for me. Loading Nana Banana. And so as this is loading, it's actually making the infographic. And if you want to make it in different types, there's so many different types that you can. So like this is how this one came up. Notice how it's very visual, it's very pretty, and then I just download. So this is how I use Google Gemini to do it. And then with this, what I would do is I would just take this exact same prompt. Oh, let's take a look. Pick a successful topic, formalize into a video series, host your series for free or for low cost. See, it's perfect and it looks great. And this is why I do this. And it takes 2 seconds, and it's just a great added way to like add, added value to whatever I'm offering. Now, if you want to get more variations, what I would do instead of, because this only gave you one, is I would take this exact prompt, go into Grok. You can see I already had one here, but we're going to go to Grok Imagine, and we're just going to copy and paste and go for it. Same exact prompt. And look, it gives me different ones as well. So this one is giving less illustrative, less visual, but it is more organized, right? So let's take like this, and then same thing where I would just click here and download. Now, I'm not going to download it because I already have stuff. But that's pretty much it. If you want to just make an infographic really quick, and look, there's so many different kinds you could choose from, so many little variations. And you can even go up here and you can like, you see it's telling you what it's going to be, where it's like green accents with white background and blue and green accents. You can do, instead of professional business style, I would do hand drawn style, hand drawn style, illustrative. And let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so look, it looks more variations, and like you just have to like change it. So now it started to do some hand-drawn writing, right? Hand-drawn writing, illustrative style. So it's really up to you how granular and how, specific you want to get with it. But overall, this is just how I make my infographic. This one's actually a good one. I would keep this. And it's just so simple and so quick. So that was just the quick and simple process, how to make infographics using AI. So simple, but so effective and so useful, especially as someone who sells digital products. Having some sort of visual representation of the information is always useful. So that's why I always do this. And other than that, I have focused my life, well, my time and my effort and my business on how teaching others how to automate their income like I have. So if that's something that you're interested in, you can check out my course below. That will be in the description. Or if you just want a freebie of this exact process that I just made, or the infographic I just made, you could also get that freebie below as well. And I will catch you guys in the next video.